You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation, how to pronounce in different languages. There are slightly different pronunciations. If you want to learn more vocabulary from Spanish, Italian, stay tuned. Italian pronunciation, how to pronounce cantina, cantina. In Spanish, the pronunciation is similar. Cantina, la cantina, a place where you eat. Cantina in Italian means more of a winery. In English, it's usually pronounced as cantina. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.